Right guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be fetching a potato harvester, a big machine with a scania. So yeah, this is a lorry video, so something a bit different. So yeah, sorry of the lateness of the video, but at least I got a video out, so stay tuned. Right guys, we are all loaded, big potato harvester. We are heading over to Bodmington now, so yeah, he's going to escort us over there in the Land Rover with a wide load sign and some beacons on, so just helps us around the tight villages and the corners and that, so yeah, see you there. Right guys, thanks for watching. Hope the video is good. Like and subscribe. Videos every Sunday, midday. We're all unloaded at the farm. So yeah, we're going to Trimpley show, 6th of August. I'll see you at Burwarton as well. If you're going, come and have a look at the limousines and the cattle. We'll be there with my ball and that. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.